Hi, and welcome to Fishing with Dan. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to catch a really big fish. But before I do, let's make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can learn how to catch big fish, small fish, and maybe even the odd cardboard box. Cardboard box. Cardboard box. Cardboard box. I know, right? What's bugging him? Well, I'll tell you what, because it bugs me too. Probably because that is me you're watching right now. For me, the most annoying thing on YouTube isn't the guru ads, it isn't the dislike button, and it isn't the spam bots. It's when people ask you to subscribe 10 seconds into a video, even though they haven't made you laugh or smile or go, wow, that's awesome info. They just beg, like Oliver Twist, asking for more porridge. Please sir, can I have a like? Could I have a subscriber? Now I don't know who came up with this, who started it, now it's spread so fast, but it's just not cricket. Asking someone to subscribe before you've given them no value is like trying it on with your Tinder date the second you meet up in a bar, which, thinking about it, is pretty much why most Tinder dates fail. But it's not the dating app's fault, I tell you. Met my girlfriend on Bumble, and we're happy. Look at us. You can't ask for a subscribe when you start a video. You've not earned it yet. So instead of disrespecting your viewer, why not try this? Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. You noticed that, right? Now, your reaction to this intro and this graphic puts you into one of two camps. Camp one, the oh my gosh, what if I just watched camp, smash the heck out of the dislike button and leave camp, or camp two, that was delightfully weird. I think I'm going to like this channel. Oh, and that tiny animation is pushing me over the edge to click like or even subscribe because I'm a bit weird too. Either way, you felt something and didn't even have to ask. So how do you get more likes, subscribers, comments, link clicks on videos? By using simple graphics like this. Well, option one is you make something like this yourself. It'll take you a while, and then halfway through you'll realize it's a lot harder to design something that looks good. Then you'll hit up Google and try and download a free graphic, which you have to kind of remove the green screen out of. And because it's been compressed to death and it isn't made that well, and keying it becomes a nightmare, so you end up with this box and something a bit cheap. That looks good, doesn't it? Option two is you buy them from this episode's sponsor. That's right, some moron has sponsored our tiny channel, and that moron is me. During lockdown, I got thinking about these little animations that we've been using in our videos for a while, and the fact that I hate it when people keep asking for you to subscribe during a video. Now, I'm 100% not telling you to never ask, but to be more strategic with it, just because people are far more likely to engage with you after you've provided value or entertainment. So ask then. So I've made this pack of 500 animations made up of subscribe, like, comments, and link graphics. You simply pick the ones you like and then just drag them into your video when you want someone to take an action. So here's how to use the subscribe animation to get more subscribers. The first method is the drop and go. When editing your video, you can drop one of these bad boys in as many times as you like. You might be editing and go, oh, I forgot to ask people to subscribe. So this simple animation can save the day. Number two, the awesome info drop. You don't have to ruin your flow and slow down your video asking for subscribers. Position these just after you've given some information that you know is going to impress people. The sound and the motion will draw their eye and encourage them to consider subscribing. Look at that one. Number three, the combo. Combine asking with real words from your real mouth and the animation for the ultimate call to action combination. So here's how to get more likes. Well, you just do exactly the same as I just said, but with a different animation. Sprinkle these into your videos every few minutes and you can go to sleep at night knowing you've got your calls to action covered. Now the comment and link in description options. So again, this is pretty much the same as above. It's not that innovative. For the link in the description though, you can simply use them when you forget to mention there's a link in the description, or just totally replace you having to waste your words. If you have affiliate links, these could potentially help you make some more sales. I mean, it's very possible to get your money back on these using affiliate links and animations. They're basically free. If you're talking about something on YouTube, most users will know to look at the description anyway, so just remind them with one of these, or point it out for the noobs. And finally, comments. Some people love to have their say and comment willy-nilly on pretty much anything. Some need more encouragement. I always forget to ask people to comment, so these can save my bacon. Comment, let us know what you think. Combine them with asking for a little bit more va-va-voom. So that's it, 500 call to action animations for only 15 smackers. They've got transparent backgrounds, you can drop them into your timeline, resize, and then away they go, working hard for you. And because I'm a swell guy and I love viewers who watch a video for a long time, Even when the intro is super weird, I'm gonna give you 80% off. 18% off. You didn't think I said 80, did you? Just use this voucher code on checkout, SPECIALONE. The link is in the description of this video, along with the code you can copy and paste. The offer ends at the stroke of midnight in 5 days' time. Bit dramatic. Or it might last longer if I forget to turn it off. So thanks for watching. Normal service resumes in a couple of days. If you'd like to subscribe to our channel, we usually make more helpful, less salesy videos. Often they can be a bit odd, but not maybe this odd. Hit like if you think we should be more odd on a regular basis, and watch this video here to help you use Google Trends to get more views, or this one here, which is our latest release.